As I'm packing and getting ready for an upcoming cruise, something that I realized is that I have a lot of basics in my cruise wardrobe that make packing and getting ready so much easier. In this video, I'm going to share with you 25 cruise wardrobe essentials that I think every woman needs. Hi there, I'm Ilana from the website lifewellcruise.com. Welcome back to my channel. Now, it might not be obvious some of the things that are really going to be handy to have on your cruise, especially if you are a woman and you do want to prepare for during the day and during the evening. Now, you want to make sure that you have everything you need because truthfully, while there are some stores and some shops on board the cruise, there are not going to be the basics that you might find on a land vacation. Now, before I get started, I did want to mention that if you like this video, if you find it helpful, informative, or enjoyable in any way, then please do give this video a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Let's get started. Number one, a crossbody or belt bag. Now, a lot of times women do ask, what do you do during the day? Do you wear a purse on a cruise? And no, you don't need to wear a purse on a cruise. You probably want to be pretty hands-free. But if you are going for a walk around the deck, or even if you're going into a cruise port of call, having a crossbody or a belt bag is something really handy. You can put your key card, you can put your lip balm, you could put any different things that you have that you want to keep with you. I find this one from Lululemon is a really good size, but I'm also going to show you this one. I got it from Amazon. It's a little bit smaller, so if you want to keep something a little bit smaller, this is super handy too, and they are both very light, very versatile for both on the cruise ship and in port. Now, speaking of purses, something that I found is people don't tend to bring a large purse around on a cruise ship, but you will want to have a smaller evening bag for both the casual nights and the formal ones. A light cardigan or shawl. Now, it can get cool in the evening times, especially on the cruise ship in the main dining room or even the theater. So just bring something light that you can put over your shoulders, and even you could wear it during the day as well. Comfortable sneakers or walking shoes. Now, even if you're not somebody who goes to the gym, you want to have something that is really comfortable, whether you're walking around the jogging track on the ship or you are walking around before your cruise or in the ports of call. Flip-flops or any slip-on sandals. Now, you're going to want to have these not only for the pool, but something a lot of people don't really think about is what are you going to wear onto your balcony? You're going to want to have a little something for your feet. So do make sure to bring these on a cruise, or if you like, you can also bring slippers. A little black dress. Now, you can keep a little black dress for years and wear it every cruise if you want for formal night, or you can even rotate some of your formal night dresses. That's what I've done over the years. I probably have about 4 or 5, and they go through a little bit of a rotation, and I do add one once in a while. Now, I did get a new one recently. I'm going to leave a picture of it up. I have not worn it yet on a cruise. However, I do plan to on my next cruise. By the way, all of the items that I am showing you in this video, I will leave the links down below in the description of this video in case you do want to check them out. All right, ladies, we need to talk about comfy clothes. And I have to tell you, I think for the first couple of cruises, I just didn't even bring any comfortable clothing. I really only thought about the casual nights or smart casual or formal. And we do need some comfortable clothing as well. So it's okay. Bring leggings, bring a crew neck sweater, bring a zippy sweater. And that is something to know. Oftentimes the evenings can be a little bit cool, especially if you do go up on deck. So you're going to want to have some sort of warm, comfy sweatshirt as well. Now, please let me know, by the way, do you bring any comfy clothes on a cruise? Please let me know down in the comments below. A strapless bra. Now, I wear a lot of sleeveless dresses, so I need a strapless bra, but people do often ask me about that. Now, where I've gotten my strapless bras in the past is at Victoria's Secret. However, more recently, I have been getting my strapless bras on Amazon. I have found a couple of really good brands. I will link them down below. Now, the other thing that you might want to get are these sticky bra type things. Now, especially if you're wearing something that is backless, these do work really well. Now, I do have, because they're adhesive, I do have a plastic baggie on the other side. All right, speaking of undergarments, something else to have is a neutral color pair of underwear. So especially if you are wearing white, that is something that you're going to want to have. And something else, and obviously this is completely optional, but you might want to put it on your packing list, it is shapewear. Now, by the way, if you're planning a cruise and you are trying to keep organized, I do have the LifeWall Cruise Ultimate Cruise Planner. Now, the LifeWall Cruise Ultimate Cruise Planner is a 47-page downloadable printable cruise planner that you could use from the time that you booked your cruise all the way through disembarkation. Now, it includes cruise packing lists, cruise outfit planning forms, cruise shore excursion planning forms, and more. I will leave all of the information linked down below in the description of this video in case you do want to check it out. Neutral or tan sandals. Now, I swear by these because tan can go with white if I'm wearing that during the day. It's still a neutral, so it can go with prints, and it can be worn in the evening time with almost every outfit I have. Now, when you are planning some of your cruise outfits, think about maxi dresses. Those are really versatile. They can be worn both during the day and during the evening, and you can dress them up a little bit with a little bit more of a heel or a wedge and a little bit more jewelry. Formal night attire. Now, to me, that little black dress goes perfectly for formal nights, and most cruises that are 7 days are going to have 2 formal or dressy nights, and longer cruises may have 3. However, there usually is one night that is a little more dressy than the others, but something to plan for is your dress, shoes, and a handbag to match, and you may want to have some jewelry for those as well. Now, ideally, you want to make sure that your handbag and your shoes and your jewelry can go across all of the different formal nights on your cruise. A sun hat. So especially if you are going to the Caribbean, you're going to the Bahamas, maybe you're going to the Mediterranean, this will be a lifesaver. So bring a sun hat, and you might want to bring as well a little hat clip so that your, oh gosh, I really have hat hair. Anyway, so that your hat doesn't get squished up in your luggage. Now, this video is really just between us ladies, so think of it like we're cruise BFFs. Now, back to clothing for a minute. Something that you might want to include in your cruise wardrobe is a jumpsuit or a romper made in a really comfortable fabric. Now, something that I realized with my romper that I have is it is comfortable and it is flattering and it is really easy to pack. It does not wrinkle, and it definitely has become my cruise essential wardrobe piece. Now, some basic wardrobe pieces you'll want to have are some tank tops or t-shirts and some casual shorts that you can mix and match. And as well, you can bring some cropped pants if you like to wear pants, and a loose, flattering top. Now, something that I have found is actually back in style for 2024, I'm pretty happy about it, is that apparently capris of all different styles are coming back in style. I think for a lot of us for cruises, this was really good cruise wear, so I'm pretty happy with that. A tote bag or beach bag or straw bag for the pool. Now, this is actually something that I forgot to bring on a cruise a couple of cruises ago. It wasn't a super hot weather cruise, and I didn't really think about the fact that I would probably still go to the pool even if it was an indoor pool. So definitely make sure that you do have something like this. I like this one because it folds up so easily and it doesn't take up a lot of room, and it's very lightweight. Workout wear. Now, I know a lot of times people say unless you know you are going to be working out, like you're already somebody who goes to the gym, don't bring any workout wear. But I kind of disagree, because on most cruises you do have a certain amount of fitness classes that are included with your cruise, or you might just want to try one even if there is a little bit of an upcharge, just to see if you might like it. You might go to the gym, or you might even just run on the jogging track, and this does give you some versatility. A rain jacket, poncho, or umbrella. Now, obviously take a look at the weather before you go, but if you do think that you may encounter a little bit of rain, having one of those items is definitely something handy. Socks. Socks and closed-toed shoes. Now, of course, if you have sneakers or walking shoes, that is going to do, but don't forget to bring your socks as well. Sleepwear, and something that is optional, but a lot of people say that they like to bring on a cruise, it is a sleep mask as well. So not only can you use this on your flight, but if you are going on an itinerary where the days are long and you may have daylight up until 11 o'clock p.m. or later, having that sleep mask is really handy. Cruise jewelry. Now, there is no need to break the bank on cruise jewelry, and I do suggest that you leave your most valuable items at home. You don't want to lose them, so this is just the best thing that you can do. Now, there is a lot of jewelry that is available either at some local stores or on Amazon. The selection is really nice, and one thing that I really like about the Amazon jewelry is oftentimes It is the trendier item, so if you do want to try those out, it's a nice opportunity to do so as well. Now, I am going to leave all of the information about the Ultimate Cruise Planner linked down below in this video, as well as the links to some of the items that I did talk about and a blog post that includes 28 of my favorite cruise dresses that are all available on Amazon. I'll leave that all linked down below in the description of this video, but I'd love to hear from you. Please let me know, what are some of your cruise wardrobe essentials, basics or not? Please let me know down in the comments below. I know not only will it help me, but it is also going to help other people as well. Now, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give it a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Bye for now, and happy cruising.